welcome to Rhodes Video Recipe Box. My name is Amy and today we're making apple dumplings. What you'll need is 6 Rhodes dinner rolls and you want them thawed. You'll combine them together and roll it out into a 12-inch circle and then cover with plastic wrap and let it rest. So then while it's resting, what you'll do is you'll take your sugars and you're going to mix your butter and your vanilla. Get that mixed in real good. Okay, then what you'll do is you're going to take your dough and you want to cut it into 8 pieces. So I'm going to cut it in half this way and in half this way. And then each piece cut in half. Okay, and then you'll take your apples and you're just going to place it right on the dough and roll the apple up. Like that. And I need my pan, so you're going to use your baking pan. Spray it with some nonstick spray. Just set these right down in your pan. So once you have all your dumplings in your pan, then what you'll do is you're going to take your sugar mixture. And you just want to drizzle it over the top of each one of your dumplings. And then you're going to use your lemon lime soda and pour it right over the top, and then sprinkle with some cinnamon. Okay, and then we're going to cover these with plastic wrap. They need to rise for about 30 minutes. These have already been baked, and what you'll do is once they're baked, you're going to take this yummy sauce in the bottom of the pan and drizzle it over the top, and this is a fabulous dessert. If you'd like the complete recipe, visit rhodesbread.com, and thanks for baking with Rhodes.